Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Got to be quick on this one. We've had this one in all morning and the customer is itching to get home and drive his new looking M140. As you probably already see, this car was in fact, it was completely standard this morning, and now look at it, completely transformed. So we're just going to run over the modifications of what we've done, and obviously let us know what you think. So front to back, gloss black Maxton front to match with the canards. The canards are actually a swap out part. No one manufactures them in gloss black, so we basically keep the original ones, get them painted gloss black for the next customer. So replacement swap out set of those. Maxton front, obviously Maxton sides and top spoiler, keeping that gloss black theme going. We've also done the mirror caps, along with Motech M1 badges and M140i gloss badging on the back. Riga rear diffuser looks perfect. This car is a 2019 car, so it's a very light car. In fact, it's a low mileage, so it's only done 8,000 miles. Customer had been looking for one for a little while and was lucky enough to pick up this blue one. So it's an OPF back exhaust. So it takes out the middle resonator with the Remus rear box, which is a race system. There's still valves, so the exhaust, when it's obviously in comfort mode, close the valve off. In Sport Plus, it opens the valve up, along with the black tailpipe. It's gone a bit aggressive on these, stacking them out a little bit more, just to fit in line with the diffuser, just to give that car that perfect OEM Plus look. Finishing it off on the suspension kit, 25 front, 20mm rear, Motech stance. Probably done 1,300 of these spring kits now, absolutely perfect, and they keep flying out the door. Wheels, Chronos wheels, matched with a PS5 tyre, perfect fitment. 9.5 on the back of these, they do fit, it looks amazing. 245 is the best tyre for these, and 225 front, it's an 8.5J front, 9.5 rear. Yet again, OEM Plus, the perfect wheel we offer for this particular setup of car, looks amazing. Under the bonnet to get a bit more sort of sound from it, we've done our Motech pipe across intake, really popular to go along with the half system, so the OPF back, just give the car a bit more drama, a bit more turbo, a bit more intake sound. But as a whole, what a finished car. Little details on this one, like the M1V, like we should say, the V1 Motech badges, carbon fiber arch guards, mirror caps. He's coming in for some interior parts soon, maybe a steering wheel and a P3 unit, red stop start, some stuff like that. Now, M140 is our bread and butter, 135i 140. We see loads of them in the day today, every single day, which is perfect for us. But sometimes it's nice to just grab one and showcase a huge transformation. So if you're interested in something like this, you have a 140, 135i, or any of the parts to be listed down below, let us know. And of course, let us know what you think of the Estoril Blue M140 now it's complete with all its gloss black styling. Thanks a lot.